Isn't that incredible? So now you're actually touching again on the concept of search engine optimization and how that intertwines with development of a website, somebody's website. So you want to talk about that a little bit? Particularly, I'm interested in knowing about site structure. So you have menus along the top, and then there are different layers. You can think of it like a tree, if you like. So what are best practices as far as site structure from that perspective?
Well, the best way to explain it is websites that are niche focused, I'm going to say. Usually, I would say perform better when it comes to search engine results. What I mean by that, I like to think of a website in a sense as like a book, right? So your book should be around a specific topic, a specific genre. So let's say it's a, I don't know, nonfiction book, about I don't know, meditation or something. I don't know. Just pick any topic really. And within that, so that's kind of like what your website should be. It should be around a central topic in a niche or vertical. And within your book, you should have different chapters, right? And each chapter is about a different topic within that niche. So that's what I would consider like different pages on your website. Different pages on your website should have maybe talk about different things, or it's kind of like your chapter book. You have a page about your about page, your services page, your contact page. They're very all distinct levels of information. And then if you do like blogging or write specific content like or podcasts, each blog post or podcast or any content really is basically sub information of that particular chapter. So if you had like chapters, then you have different paragraphs, and each paragraph is essentially like your blog post. That's how I kind of like to think of websites in a sense. It's like, what is this book about?
Mm.
What are the different chapters in the book, or what are different topics, pages for the website, and then what are the detailed paragraphs or sub information, and those are your blog posts.